Hey everyone, I hope everybody's doing great today. My name is Kalin. I've been a guitarist for over 12 years. I've got 2 successful bands and 1 single album. I'll be learning how to read tabs and read chords, and then probably write some stuff. So we're going to begin with what are tabs, how to read them, where to find them on the internet. You'll learn the simple yet very popular riff, Smoke on the Water. And then we're going to learn how to read chords. I think we already did that, but let's do it with the internet this time. And then I'm going to show you some example riffs from songs that I really like Smells Like Teen Spirit, Enter Sandman, and Breaking the Law. And then yeah, I'm going to teach you how to write your own riffs by using A minor scale from last time and some bar chords. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so what are guitar tabs? They're basically like numbers on a piece of paper, and you got to follow along in order to learn a riff or part of a song. And for example, I'm going to show you this really cool and really simple catchy riff called Smoke on Water by Deep Purple. We're going to be using these 2 strings, which are 4th and 3rd, and then we're going to play both of them. And then we play both of them 0-3-5, 0-3-6-5, 0-3-5, and 3-0. Okay? You're going to do it slowly first, and then you're going to do it faster. Again, it might be easier to learn it on the 6th string at first, and then transition yourself on the 4th and 3rd together. So if you're a beginner, you're probably going to be doing it on the 6th string like this. And then if you want to do it like the original, you're going to do it on 3rd and 4th string. We're going to learn how to read chords.
On a long and lonesome highway, east of all my heart, listen to the engine moaning, oh, it's one note song. You can think about the woman or the girl you knew the night before.
Okay, cool. So now you should be able to, read any song, any chords and lyrics on the internet. What I'm going to show you next is just some example riffs that I managed to find on the internet. I'm going to share the links or just display the tabs on screen. And it's basically a few riffs, like a few very basic and very popular riffs that I grew up with. So the first one is Smells Like Teen Spirit. Second one is Breaking the Law by Judas Priest. Third one is Enter Sandman by Metallica. And let's write some of our own riffs. So now you know power chords, you know the E minor scale all over the neck. Let's pick some notes. hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.